Have you noticed something strange happening in the stock market? The S&P 500 is near record highs. The Nasdaq keeps pushing higher. AI stocks are exploding, and yet many experts are warning that we may entering one of the biggest bubble in modern market history. So the big problem is, are we witnessing the start of a history stock market boom or the early stages of a dangerous bubble? Let's break it down. First, let's look at what's driving this rally. Artificial intelligence. Companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and Alphabet are spending hundreds of billions of dollars on AI infrastructure. Every earnings season, Wall Street hears the same story. More AI, more data center, more chips, more spending. Investors love it. But here where things get interesting. History teaches us that every major technological revolution creates enormous winners and massive speculation. We saw it during the dot-com boom, we saw it during the housing bubble, and now many investors are asking whether AI is booming the next market obsession. Now, don't get me wrong, AI is real. The technology is transforming business across the world, but the question is not whether AI is real. The question is whether current stock price already reflect years of future growth. That's where risks enter the price. At the same time, another major concern is growing. The US nation debt has crossed the astonishing level. Interest payments continue rising, and if inflation stays sticky and the Federal several may keep rates higher for longer, the combination could put pressure on stock valuation. Now here the bullish argument. Corporate earnings remains strong, consumer spending has held up surprisingly well. Unemployment remains relatively low, and billions of dollars continue flowing into index fund every month. In other words, there is still plenty of fuel behind this rally. So whether does that level investors? The answer may be somewhere in middle. The market could continue climbing higher in short term. FOMO is powerful, momentum is powerful, and where investors believe a new technology revolution is underway, prices can rise much further than most people expect. But investors should also remain that market does not move up forever. Corrections are normal, volatility is normal, and changing hype without a plan can be dangerous. The smartest investors focus on rising management, diversification, and long-term thinking. So here that question for you, do you believe that stock market is entering a historic AI-driven supercycle? Or do you think we are watching that formation of the next big bubble? Drop your thoughts in the comment below, and if you enjoy this analysis, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on notification, because here on Shobha Financial we break down the biggest stories shaping Wall Street and the further in investing. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.